Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Plan your channel trailer concept. Think about what makes your channel unique and what you want viewers to remember. Decide on a 30 to 60 second length that hooks people fast. Step 2. Write a compelling script. Keep it short and punchy with a clear hook in the first 3 seconds. Use language that speaks directly to your target audience and emphasizes what they'll gain. Step 3. Gather or create your video footage. You can film new content, use stock footage, or repurpose clips from your best videos. Make sure the quality is clean and matches your brand aesthetic throughout. Step 4. Edit your trailer with pacing in mind. Use quick cuts, transitions, and music to maintain energy. Add text overlays that highlight your channel's main benefits or topics. Step 5. Add a call to action at the end. Tell viewers exactly what to do next, whether that's subscribing, checking out your playlists, or visiting your website. Upload and set it as your channel trailer in your YouTube settings so every new visitor sees it first.